नहीं, एक्चुअली कोई भी एग्जैक्ट मतलब नहीं बता रहा है ना अभी। अभी ये आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, ये
हाँ
डिटेल देने से तो
हाँ
किसी का कुछ नहीं होगा, राइट? अभी कोई इनके ना घर जा
एग्जैक्टली
पाएगा
एग्जैक्टली
या फिर
एग्जैक्टली
ये इनसे
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी क्लियर यू अप वन थिंग। व्हाट्स योर
हम्म,
नेम?
जी हाँ।
Jia, okay. So Jia, let me tell you one thing here. Basically, we ourselves have connected with all the possible authorities.
हम्म,
I myself have mailed the,
हम्म,
Gautam Budh Nagar Commissionerate to, have a meeting. I have connected with Ajay Talks, the YouTuber, so that, we can
हम्म,
go ahead in a combined meeting with them.
हम्म।
Also, with the help of lawyer from Lex Curium, we have decided to, go ahead with, file a formal complaint to ED as well from our end. If
Can
we
you
were to
explain
go
in
out from
Hindi so I'll forward this message to all the like iBox users, right? So they will.
मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, ये मैसेज मैं सुबह से मोर देन 100 यूजर्स को दे चुका हूँ, मोर देन 100 यूजर्स। आई डोंट थिंक सो अभी तक ये इन्फॉर्मेशन कैसे वायरल नहीं हुई है, क्योंकि जितना मुझे लगता है 1 सेकंड मेरा नंबर इतना वायरल हो जाता है, तो इन्फॉर्मेशन क्यों वायरल नहीं हुई। बट स्टिल नो वरीज एट ऑल। लेट मी गिव यू, मैं आपको चीज बताता हूँ। यहाँ पे कंपनी के ओनर थे मिस्टर शिवराम जयरामन जी। दैट इज द ओनली, मतलब वही एक ऑथराइज सिग्नेटरी हैं जिनके बिहाफ पे सारे बैंक
वो
अकाउंट्स
मैंने
रन
सब
होते
कुछ
हैं।
सुना है, आपका रिकॉर्डिंग सुना है एंड ऑल द
करेक्ट, फिर आप ऑलरेडी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन से अवेयर हो।
राइट।
आई डोंट थिंक तो मेरे पास कोई ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन है उससे
नहीं, बट
अपार्ट
वही
अलग
मैं
जो मैं
बोल
आपको
रही हूँ
दे
कि
पाऊँ।
अगर नहीं 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 जस्ट अभी आप कंप्लेन किया, राइट? जस्ट आप लाइक हाईबॉक्स यूज़र के साथ में जाकर आप उनको उछाल करोगे तो कुछ होगा, राइट? अभी
बिल्कुल, हम तो रेडी हैं। हम तो हाईबॉक्स यूजर से हम लोग क्या डिमांड कर रहे हैं सारे यूजर से? हम खुद ही डिमांड कर रहे हैं, जितने भी यूजर्स हैं, जितना का भी पैसा लगा है, एक फॉर्मल कंप्लेंट ईडी की एक ईमेल होती है। अगर आप उस पर मेल कर देंगे, आप साइबर अथॉरिटी में अपनी ट्रांजैक्शन जाके दिखाएंगे कि मेरी ट्रांजैक्शन ये हुई थी हाईबॉक्स पे, मेरे को मेरी सर्विस नहीं मिली है, प्लीज आगे जाके फ्रीज कराओ, मुझे मेरा पैसा दिलवाओ, तब तो अथॉरिटीज कुछ एक्शन लेंगी ना इस चीज पे। हम लोग खुद ये चीज कर रहे हैं। मेरी पर्सनली जो ट्रांजैक्शन है वो 6 महीने पहले हुई थी। 6 महीने पुरानी ट्रांजैक्शन पे कुछ नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन मेरे कंपनी के एम्प्लॉइज हैं जिन्होंने रिसेंटली 10 दिन 15 दिन में किया था। अगर आप एम्प्लॉइज से कनेक्ट होंगे, उन्होंने खुद आपको अपनी एक्नॉलेजमेंट कॉपी तक शेयर कर देंगे कि भाई उन्होंने खुद से कंप्लेंट करी है। अगर कोई भी एम्प्लॉय ये सारी चीजें लोगों में इनमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, तो कोई भी, मुझे नहीं लगता इतना बड़ा पागल है कि वो कहेगा आ बैल मुझे मार, तू मुझे मार आके। तो मुझे नहीं लगता कोई भी ऐसी चीजें करेगा, और हमें नहीं लगता अगर हम गलत है जाके हम लॉयर्स को हायर करेंगे और खुद से ईडी को कंप्लेंट देंगे, भाई आके इस चीज पे इंटरफेयर करो, लोगों का पैसा दिलवाओ और खुद बताओ कि कौन
नहीं नहीं, ऐसे ऑनलाइन कंप्लेन करने से ये चलो ठीक है, वो चीज़ें हो गई, लेकिन आप एक कम्युनिटी बना के एक यूपी पुलिस के पास जाकर, साइबर क्राइम ऑफिस जाकर आप लोग कर सकते हो, क्योंकि आप लोगों को पता है सारी चीज़ें, ठीक है? यूज़र्स को नहीं पता है। वहाँ पे अगर आप लोग जाकर बोलोगे तो मे बी पॉसिबिलिटीज है कि कुछ हो पाएगा अभी।
ओके ओके जी, आई गॉट योर पॉइंट। जिया, अब मैं लोगों को खुद बता रहा हूँ कि आई एम फ्रेमिंग अप अ कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट एवरीवन। जितनी भी इन्फॉर्मेशन मेरे पास थी, ईदर माय सीनियर्स और द डायरेक्टर ऑफ द कंपनी हियर इन इंडिया, आई एम गिविंग अप ऑल द डिटेल्स। आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर देम टू गिव मी अ सॉल्यूशन। इफ माय लॉयर फर्म इज टेकिंग सम टाइम टू फ्रेम अप द कंप्लेंट,
गवर्नमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग पैसा उसी के अकाउंट में आता है, तो ट्राई करो सभी के अकाउंट से एक पर्टिकुलर कंप्लेन होनी चाहिए।
ओके,
So what should I follow?
ठीक है?
Should I take the
Okay.
Kanun
Thank you so
myself?
much,
Should I
sir.
go in public and run after the authorities to give the, give all the money to the victim, or let me myself frame a whole plan to the highest authority possible, ED, who can actually take actions? I'll tell you one more thing here, Jia. The thing, for example, if you call the authorities, if they, for example, are not able to give you the refunds or money, they will further postpone or further place this case to the ED. But after so much time, then all the funds would, all the accounts would have been unfreezed, and people would have taken their money out and would have ran away through crypto out or anything. I don't know what they must be doing, what they are doing, not aware at all. But I'm giving assumption here. But if we are planning and giving the complaint directly to ED, ED is the fastest possible commission who can take the action against these people. You know that? And also today in the morning only I got one information, Jia, that I publicly announced that all the bank accounts were frozen. Even I shared the proof, the chat with Lindan, where she confessed like all our bank accounts, including the Axis Bank, has been frozen earlier. But today in the morning, one of the users who had connections within the Axis Bank showed me a screenshot which says all the balance has been moved already from Axis Bank. It means the Axis Bank was unfrozen by using the connections internally. So who is responsible for all this? Am I the person who is responsible to get the accounts unfrozen and getting the funds out of it? Not at all. All the funds have been moved. If you could check the transactions, I'll show you the screenshot which I have been getting. If you could check the transactions, it is clearly written the funds have been
but
to
इसका
Siva
अभी ये चीज़ नहीं हो सकता ना कि you don't know about the companies, right? अभी I'm into the HR, right? So अभी कोई company join करेगा तो they just avail like aware about the company.
As an HR, what documents would you request the company to let me know? I'll answer you one by one. I'll give you the answer to each and every questions of you as you are asking me. You are being an HR in a company. And accordingly ask me please.
Right,
Let me know. I'll answer you.
हाँ, just हम लोग first we just connect the candidates, like, and just we hire the candidate for the particular company, right? So just they ask about the company and just by says they like know about the companies and all, and then they will
what company do you work in?
Sorry.
What company do you work in?
No, I'm not working in any just company. I have my own consultancy firm, so just I'm just running up job
placements. So basically, you hire candidates for multiple companies.
Yes, just like in manufacturing sectors. So so अभी कोई भी join करेगा sir.
For example, you are hiring candidates for any company. What information do you collect from the companies? You let me know on that.
नहीं हम लोग company से नहीं, just suppose it I'll just approach to you, right, for particular company.
Okay.
तो just candidate तो को पता like नहीं होगा तो they search about the company and all that. Then फिर वो join करेगा ना. तो अगर आपने वहाँ पर join किया होगा तो just you know about like कि company क्या है, कैसी है, कहाँ से है, like
what documents we requested. Okay, fine. Let me tell you what documents we requested. Whenever company needs to operate in India, it needs to be MCA registered. You must be aware of that. That is number one document. Correct? The second document is the GST certificate. Correct? The third document is the MONA. That is the Memorandum of Association and Memorandum of I'm forgetting that word. MONA you can check. Third is the COI, Certificate of Incorporation. These documents are the one documents which an employee may ask to the director or any one of the company, like how the company is registered, how the things are being done. The another question is that we ask, like, you are a GST registered company, why are you not filing the taxes? We have a clear question here with the company. Company has filed all the taxes are up to date. I'll show you the GST number of the company. Company has filed all the GSTs. How can we question the authenticity of the company here? Number one thing. Number two thing, we questioned like the company was not working for the last 7 years and on the MC it says like active non-compliant. Why are the fines not submitted? Why are the ITRs not submitted? They shared us the exact ITR proofs that they have filed 25 lakh rupees worth of fine for the last 7 years which were not filed. What are the question? Another question is that our company is not labor law registered. It was conveyed 2 weeks ago to Shipra Badal, who was the HR of a company, to process the EPFO and Provident Fund of all the employees. You can verify this information from her. Another thing, we are like you are saying like you are integrating the TAN in your TDS in your system. So where is your TAN number? The company registered their TAN certificate on 29th of July and shared with us. The next day the withdrawals were stopped and gave us the reason that we are integrating TDS. That is the reason we incorporated.
But you know now कि TDS का problem नहीं था, तो why just you mentioned that guy and like iBox users की just we have
the same thing,
like TDS problem.
That they're integrating the TDS. We were told the same thing. See, they show us like your TAN certificate. Here's the TAN certificate of the company, and the company has been going into corporates and everything. They are filing the taxes and everything for the employees or whatever things were told to us. We were like, okay, fine. This information was done on 29th of July. I will show you the screenshot with my top management, Lindan, where she mentioned on 29th of July, the moment the withdrawals were stopped. Now you tell me, how can I believe those people and what information should I tell you now? I'll tell you another thing. If the business model was a scam, how Ease was India's biggest fintech company, PhonePe, India's biggest UPI application, were giving their payment services. If those fintech partners, the biggest in the market, are trusting the company, they are trusting the business model of the company, I as an employee who's a marketing manager, how can I question the authenticity of the application of the company? Now you tell me this.
Right.
Do you have any answers here on this?
बट लाइक इस पर जस्ट यू जस्ट हेल्प द पीपल्स लाइक मतलब अभी यहाँ बैठ के ऐसा नहीं है जस्ट एक कम्युनिटी अब बनाकर यूपी पुलिस के पास आप लेकर जाओ सबको लाइक आपका कुछ टीम
मैं तो खुद रेडी हूँ मेरे को दीजिए इन द लास्ट 7 days I have got more than 1000 calls a day. My phone number is switched off because I'm not able to connect with everyone. I have my WhatsApp live. You can ask anyone who have texted me. You yourself can see if you texted me or called me whether I picked the call or not. Right? I picked the call. I'm picking up the calls for everyone. None of the calls have been missed. My number is not, not active or whatsoever thing. You get that point? Now, I am telling you, you set your foot in my shoes and let me know if I talk about the genuinity of the company, or for example, the legitimacy of the company? Can you question after all these things were presented in front of you? Just tell me, you are being the HR, now you tell me.
But इतना पता होना चाहिए कि who is like running this company, right? अभी कौन responsible है यार, right?
We connected with Sivaram multiple times. He clearly said, I'm the director of the company. He is the person who has signed his authorized signatory. He got us the office in Noida. He has given us physical sign and stamp in Noida to give us the office. And he has his sign and signature in every bank account which has been opened on the company's name. He's the authorized signatory. If I talk about EaseBus and PhonePe, they were the people who did their KYCs. How can you question this legitimacy?
But do one thing is first, just because of he is in India, right? अभी वो इंडिया में ही है, right? So आप
I don't know. I have no connection with him.
Just maybe just हो सकता है कि अभी नहीं out of India नहीं गए, just like he is in India, right? So अभी आप just UP face to face conversation क्यों नहीं आप कर सकते हो? Just go with the user like Hibox users and just make the community.
I'll tell you here one more thing as well. What I told you in the starting of the call, that we are already aligning a meeting with the Commissionerate of Police Department here in Noida as well, Gautam Budh Nagar. Her name is Lakshmi Singh.
Okay.
I have connected with Ajay Talks. Ajay Talks is the creator. I have texted him on Instagram as well. If I could share you the chat, that if you are having a meeting with him tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I am also coming with you to give all the possible details in person. Why would I text Ajay Talks to give in person if I'm myself wrong here? You tell me, Jia. And Jia, after listening up all the situation, all the story and all the details, can you tell me, if you were being a part of the organization, would you be able to question the organization ever? Just tell me this.
Right, I understand, like, but just
Jia, you are the first person who understood actually then.
But like अभी आपको पता है कि सबका पैसा फंसा है, like किसी ने लोन लेके and some like users are students, right? So ठीक है, जो जॉब कर रहे हैं, जिसके पास है वो तो
everyone invested with their own risks in their mind. They have read the returns in the application कि उनको क्या return मिलेगा, क्या profit मिलेगा, withdrawal कब आएगा, terms and conditions were on the application. Everyone invested only on their own will of making profits, nothing else. Right? Correct? Was I involved in anyone to like let him join the application? Did I personally came up with ever a video saying that, guys, hi, I'm Spurge, the marketing manager. This application is super amazing. Go and invest on that app. Have you ever seen a video of me like saying like that in public? Ever? You must not be, Jia, because people are currently framing us as the culprits, and we are extremely irritated.
But you are a marketing manager, right? And like
I am a social media marketing
manager.
Okay,
yes, social media marketing manager, right? So you had the YouTubers, right? Only like Alvis and Sukra Insan and like that only.
I'll tell you one more thing over here. First, you complete. Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
YouTubers were given the same information which he has. This is the business model of the company. This is the funds which company wants to pay you. All the YouTubers have the contract with the YouTubers. I have multiple contracts. If I want, I can public them right now. On all the contracts, it has been clearly written that they are the ones who are responsible making the video and every possible thing. Now you tell me, they are making the video, they are getting the money. How come we are responsible? They are promoting because they have verified everything. Bharti Singh, who was the biggest creator, she verified all the documents, right? How come she made the video? Just for the money? Not at all possible. She is getting multiple sources of money. Elvish, Crazy, Fukra, they are getting just our brand deal. No, they have got tons of brand deals. They verify every document, then only they, what should I tell you? Make a video on Hibox. You think, I'm a person, I'm a marketing manager, on my trust, these big YouTubers are making, they do even know me? What big entity am I? They are making the video on my trust. Can you believe this? Can you believe this fact at all? Yeah, there are tons of questions against me. I have answer for every question which has been against me. The person who is not wrong is always there to answer every question on the front end. If Sivaram must be correct, he must have publicly announced that I'm not at all involved. He has been running, he has switched off his number, he has removed his WhatsApp, everything. Why? Because he knows he's getting caught, he can be caught anytime soon.
So you can share like each and everyone contracts, na? Contact details.
Which contracts? For YouTubers?
Yes.
Would they able to solve this situation for now?
Sorry?
Do you think if I share, I'm saying like if I share the contracts with you right now, will everyone get their funds back?
फंड तो अभी भी नहीं आ रहा है ना, लेकिन जस्ट एटलीस्ट दे कैन ट्राई, राइट?
I can circulate, but what's the sense of thing? On the contract, there's clearly written the company cannot share the information publicly. But if you want, I can breach that point as well. I'm already against the company for multiple things. I have stopped their banking.
अरे आप कंपनी के अगेंस्ट जाने की बात कर रहे हो, ऑलरेडी कंपनी चली गई है, राइट? सो
यही मैं आपकी बात कह रहा हूँ, यही तो बोल रहा हूँ कि मैंने ऑलरेडी इतनी चीजें कंपनी के अगेंस्ट कर दी हैं इस समय कि आई एम दी ओनली पर्सन रिस्पॉन्सिबल। अगर कल को विड्रॉल स्टार्ट कर दिए बाय एनी चांस, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, so I'll be the only person who would be
but just I wanted to know one question as fast after
yes,
the Ankit, maybe his name is Ankit, right? उसके वीडियो के बाद में ही आप in front of all the iBox users, right? So उससे पहले आप कहाँ थे? Like why you are not like
I was not I guess Dia, you are not at all aware again. I guess I don't know where are you getting these informations. I can share you if you want. I can share you the WhatsApp chat right now. I've been connected the people since before making Ankit the video, and Ankit didn't even ask us to make the video. He clearly said that I'm nowhere involved, I'm just a content creator, I'm this. I can show you the group chats where he has taken the direct decisions or direct orders from King Philip or Linda. It is just like everyone wants their hand to be out and want to frame everything against me and Shipra, nothing else. Because people are thinking, oh, these were the people who go to, attend the webinars, these were the people who got to take the awards. Let us frame everything against us, let us kill both of these people.
But guys, you are taking the awards and just like you are a main person of that, right?
As a marketing manager, we are taking it, yes, of course.
Yeah, so just अभी क्या बोलूँ मैं, आपके पास सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन तो होना ही चाहिए था एटलीस्ट अबाउट दिस लाइक स्कीम। आई डोंट नो क्या चल रहा है, कोई बोल रहा अकाउंट फ्रीज है एंड समथिंग।
मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग से एक बात स्टार्ट करी, मी एज अ मार्केटिंग एम्प्लॉय, यू आर एन एचआर, ओके, यू आर एन एचआर, शिप्रा बादल इज आल्सो एन एचआर। इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, डू यू हैव अ सिंगल डिटेल ऑफ हाउ मेनी बैंक अकाउंट्स आर बीइंग ऑपरेटेड इन द कंपनी? डू यू? You won't be having. Me, I was there in defreezing a lot of accounts from them in the past. I was the person who was connecting with Easwas on their behalf. I was the person who was connecting with PhonePe on their behalf. That is the only.
But Easwas mentioned they are already released all the amount actually. Some.
No. Okay, be on call. Okay, be on call. 1 second. I'll show you one screenshot. You tell me if they're released. Okay.
Okay.
Just check the message. The last message I texted him. That is on Thursday. And what was Sahil replied? Last message, can you read please for me?
Just wait.
Yeah. Kindly update on settlement as well. People are too much tense. This message is on Wednesday, 7th August. 8th we resigned. Now you tell me how would I have the information after that? Anything else to say, Jia here?
No, but just a request to you, just help the people, if possible, in any ways. So just might be some.
Jia, I just want to hear one of your opinions. After hearing my side of the story, after checking each and everything possible, do you think I'm still involved in taking away all the money of the employees? You just tell me. You give me your opinion.
I'm not like. कुछ भी हो सकता है, we are not like अभी कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकते हम लोग।
Exactly, this is what we are saying to everyone. Let the ED decide on this. They are the people who can decide. Not even a single individual can decide. We have presented all the information in front of ED. Let the ED decide who's wrong, who's right. This is what I'm saying. If I am giving you 100% of the information and still at the end of the day you are saying I cannot still say you are wrong or right, then you can yourself understand that if I give you 100% of the proof, still you will be always on the neutral end. You cannot think that Sparsh is right or Shipra is right. You understand my point, Jia, now? I hope it's clear. Kindly put your shoes once, kindly put your foot once again in my shoes. Think about yourself, like cut the call, think for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you'll understand yourself, you'll analyze everything yourself. I don't need to tell you anything. I'll tell you, see, you are telling me to help the people, right? You said, Jia?
Yes, right.
Just check the screenshot. Last message. Check the time while I'm on your call. What message I've got? Should I help these people?
Hello, it's Swaning Masa. I attend the call, otherwise it's Chani. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is my situation right now.
Right. No, I know, but if like that, some people is there they are actually need the help, right? So just
More than 20 people called me for actual help, and they got all the information they requested. They want me to share all the bank account numbers. I shared with them. They wanted me to share the credentials of these people. I shared with them. They want me to share the credentials of the company.
Just let me know. This is the last, what the possibilities. We just get back our amount.
What is the possibility? I'll tell you the possibility. Tell me, today is Wednesday. Monday afternoon, I requested, everyone started requesting to raise the complaints and everything. Do you remember? Are you aware of that point?
Yes.
Right? Since Monday till Wednesday, people are still not believing and not going against the company to move to raise the complaints. Do you understand this point?
No, many people raise the complaint actually.
Yes, I know a lot of people have raised the complaints. I'll tell you why people are not raising the complaints. I'll tell you one insider story. Okay? The insider story is this, Jia. Basically, when a user used to use the Highbox, they were following one strategy here. When a person invested 20 lakh rupees, he made, for example, 10 lakh rupees out of it. He left the 10 lakh rupees there and withdraw all the 20 lakh rupees out of it. Now that 10 lakh rupees is again 20 lakhs. He withdraw his investment already in the bank. But now he has 20 lakh rupees on the application right now, which he is not able to withdraw. Correct? On what basis or what base he will go and complain against the iBox? You tell me now. He has already got the investment bank. He must have the funds in the application, but those funds were made from the app itself. How will the person go and complain? 95% people are not complaining right now. Only 5% are complaining. Reason being, they have their actual investment in the application.
Right.
This is the situation, Jia, why people themselves, you know why, if I'll tell you one thing. For example, if there are 1 lakh Highbox users, right? If 1 lakh Highbox users are going to go and take actions against the company or going to report it to the news, don't you think the news is going to report it or take it? Because no 1 lakh people are going. A normal 200, 300 people is a normal thing for a news channel to get a fraud thing. They are not going to cover because they are not going to get any benefit out of it. They are not going to get any PR out of it. You are getting my point? People will start, how will the people start complaining? This is my actual question. I raised the same point in the ED complaint as well. Why is the people not? People are saying, I will take action against you. I said, why? He said, I've already withdrawn. I have the investment still in the app. And I said, how much you withdrawn? How much you said? He gave me this exact value which I just gave you. And he's saying, now I have 20 lakh left in the app. For that, I will come and kill you. Am I responsible for that 20 lakh rupees in his wallet? After already he withdraw that money? His investment?
No, just... मैं उनकी बात नहीं कर रही जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी प्रॉफिट ले लिया है, विड्रॉल कर लिया है.
और जो 5% लोग हैं ना जिनके इन्वेस्टमेंट है अंदर, उनकी मैं फुल फ्लेजेडली हेल्प कर रहा हूँ.
ओके, सो आई एम द वन पर्सन जिसका इन्वेस्टमेंट है अभी. आई एम नॉट लाइक कि हाँ मैंने कमा लिया वहाँ से हो गया एंड समथिंग. अगर ऐसा होता भी तो मैं यहाँ पर इतना आकर एंड समथिंग ये नहीं कर रही हूँ.
आप मुझसे बात नहीं करते बिकॉज़ सबका टाइम यहाँ पे वैल्यूएबल है.
राइट. सो ओके स्पर्श, अभी मैं क्या, ठीक है, ओके.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ the most possible action is to take the action against your transaction ID. If you are not having any transaction ID, you can still complain to ED. You can write a ED. Emails is on their website. You can mail a draft.
ED?
You can draft ED a normal complaint. Yes.
Okay.
ED.
Okay.
Yes, you can mail the ED on this. If the ED, 1 second, I'll give you the email itself only.
Okay, you can WhatsApp me.
Yes, of course. Here's the screenshot. I'll share the website as well. You can mail the ED here. ED will decide who's wrong, who's right. Again, I'm telling you one thing. ED is the highest authority in India who can take action against any individual or the company for any money laundering or fraud, money-related fraud. And if I'm still giving you all this information, I don't think so. Why would I do that thing कि आप बैल मुझे मारने? जी हाँ, अगर आपको पहले ही पता चल गया होगा ना, अगर आपके माइंड में 1% में मेरे अगेंस्ट कुछ आ गया होगा कि हाँ भाई इस पर्सन इज नॉट रॉन्ग, स्टिल you are in a condition you cannot utter that to me on my face. You also know right now, I will tell you on your face that you also know that nothing can be done out of Sparsh. if Sparsh would be aware, Sparsh would not be sharing this information. He would have been run away. If I would have 5% or 10% of the funds of what they took off the people, I would not have been staying in India. I would have run away to international grounds and I would have, gone away, switched off my number and everything. Right? I wish you understood, Jia. You are one of the users. I wish you could understand about the female employees. Shipra ma'am's address got leaked. She was crying on the call with me. She has a 8-year-old son. She's too much terrified that she's, restricting herself to even send him to school. This is the situation right now. What's her cause? Nothing. All the people invested the money because they wanted profit. And now when someone invested the money on the application, no one requested who's the owner of the company. No one requested who's the director of the company. No one requested who is what of this designation of the company. But now, when everyone has lost their funds, now they are researching. I hope, Jay, you could understood this.